Welcome. Today, we are going on a trip to the rainforest. Make yourself as comfortable as possible somewhere quiet and peaceful. Sit back or lie down, whatever feels most relaxing. Loosen any tight clothing, relax your jaw and forehead. Don't forget to release tension from your shoulders as well. Now close your eyes and gently take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, counting to 4. And out through your mouth, counting to 5. And again. You find yourself standing in a breathtakingly beautiful rainforest. The ground beneath you is covered in fine light green moss, but there are sandy-colored patches of earth here and there. A light drizzle is coming down, and as you lift your face to the sky, you feel a fine spray of warm drops that feels wonderful on your skin. The sky is overhung with thick clouds that seem to touch the tops of the giant trees surrounding you, but bright sunlight filters through the gaps. You turn your attention to the plants that surround you. Look around. There are enormous, thick tree trunks covered in light moss. These ancient trees reach so high that you can barely make out their tops, and you wonder how long it must have taken them to grow from tiny seeds into such giant and majestic trees. Between them, hundreds of vines hang motionless, some almost reaching to the ground. There are bushes with giant leaves in multiple shades of green. You let your hand glide over one of the leaves. It is as big as you are and feels sturdy to the touch. If the rain got heavier, you could simply lift it and sneak under it for shelter. In the distance, you hear the lively trilling sound of a bird. You know that you are safe in this forest, so you decide to begin walking towards the sound. As you push through the undergrowth, a small sandy path suddenly appears in front of you, allowing you to walk freely. You follow the path, the heavy scent of moist, warm earth filling your nose. The drizzle seems to be easing up a little. Suddenly, a strong, fragrant scent makes you stop in your tracks. It is heavenly. You smile and breathe it in deeply. You leave the path. Following this scent, picking your way past leaves and branches, the scent grows stronger and more enticing. In front of you, embedded in the mulchy ground, sits the most beautiful flower you have ever seen. It is enormous and seems to consist entirely of huge petals that are arranged in an intricate pattern in a myriad of bright, sparkling colors. The strong, fragrant smell is emanating from it, and it envelops you completely. Take some time to look at this wondrous flower. Walk around it. Look at it from all angles. Look at the beautiful shapes and lines. Take in the colors. After a while, you decide to walk on and return to the sandy path. You hear the distinctive trill of the bird again and quicken your pace. The call of the bird gets louder, and there you see it. High up, sitting on one of the branches, is a tropical bird of paradise. It once again lets out its call and swoops down from the branch. landing on another branch that is a little closer to you and is bathed in sunlight. In the sun, the colors of the bird light up like flames. See how they shine. See how graceful its movements are. Note the line of its neck, the way its feathers are arranged on its tail and wings. After a while, the bird of paradise takes flight. You have another look around this dense exotic forest teeming with life, but also filled with peace and serenity. You are glad that there is such breathtaking beauty in nature, in the world. Smiling to yourself, you get ready to return to the present and open your eyes.